A toxic toy trove, uncovering hidden dangers in plastic playthings. In a groundbreaking study, researchers from the University of Sao Paulo, USP, and the Federal University of Alfenas, UNIFIL, have uncovered a disturbing truth about the plastic toys that line store shelves across Brazil. Their findings, published in Exposure and Health, reveal a widespread issue of chemical contamination that poses serious health risks to children. The alarming results. The team's investigation, supported by FAPESP, analyzed 70 toys, both imported and locally made, and the results were eye-opening. Many of these toys failed to meet safety standards set by Brazil's National Institute of Metrology, Quality, and Technology, INMETRO, and the European Union. The most concerning offender was barium, found in excessive amounts in 44.3% of samples, with concentrations up to 15 times higher than permitted. But here's where it gets controversial. Exposure to barium can lead to severe heart and nervous system issues, including arrhythmias and paralysis. And this is just the tip of the iceberg. A toxic trio: lead, chromium, and antimony. The study also detected elevated levels of lead, chromium, and antimony. Lead, associated with irreversible neurological damage and cognitive issues in children, exceeded limits in 32.9% of samples, with some measurements nearly 4 times the accepted threshold. Antimony, which can cause gastrointestinal problems, and chromium, a known carcinogen, were also present above acceptable levels in 24.3% and 20% of toys, respectively. A comprehensive approach. To ensure a representative sample, researchers intentionally selected toys aimed at children from diverse socioeconomic backgrounds, purchased from large shopping centers and small discount shops in Ribeirão Preto. We focused on toys for children aged 0 to 12, many designed for oral exploration, increasing the risk of exposure to toxic substances, explained Bruno Alves Rocha, the lead researcher. The team employed advanced techniques, including inductively coupled plasma mass spectrometry, ICP-MS, and microwave-assisted acid digestion, to detect and measure metals and nonmetals, even in minute quantities. They simulated the release of chemicals when toys come into contact with a child's saliva, providing a realistic assessment of potential exposure. A toxic element lineup. The study identified a total of 21 toxic elements, including silver, Ag, aluminum, Al, arsenic, As, and mercury, Hg. Using bioavailability tests, the researchers developed exposure scenarios based on median and maximum concentrations. Exposure varies, but it can also depend on how long a child plays with or keeps an object in their mouth, Rocha noted. Chemical release and safety concerns. The extraction rates, indicating the amount of substance released when exposed to gastric juice, ranged from 0.11% to 7.33%. While these values suggest that only a small portion of contaminants leach out under oral contact conditions, Rocha emphasizes that this doesn't alleviate safety concerns, especially given the high total concentrations detected. Tracing contamination sources. The investigation also provided insights into the potential sources of contamination. We found correlations between nickel, cobalt, and manganese, suggesting a common manufacturing origin. Beige-colored toys had higher metal concentrations, possibly due to the paint supplier, Rocha explained, offering a clue for future enforcement actions. Beyond toxic metals. The research group has also examined chemicals that interfere with the hormonal system, including bisphenol, parabens, and phthalates, which are known endocrine disruptors. This isn't the first study with such alarming results, highlighting the urgent need to protect children's health, Rocha concluded. A call to action. As we uncover the hidden dangers in our children's toys, it's clear that stricter regulations and enforcement measures are needed. What are your thoughts on this matter? Should we be more vigilant about the toys we allow our children to play with? Share your thoughts in the comments below.